Yes, hello guys, kum no pilong paralog. Welcome back all. Hope everyone is doing well. And since we are going to the end of the year, let me say Merry Christmas to you all and Happy New Year in advance, guys. So let's back to the topic. We have a question from one of our viewers. I'm pretty sure it's a Khasi viewer because I know most of my subscribers, they're from Shillong, Meghalaya. So he said why I keep making videos about Meghalaya as African. Okay, this will always take me back to how I started this channel, guys. So when I started making videos in this channel, guys, I started actually by reaction video, and I was not really so specifically or targeting Meghalaya people, to be honest. My goal was to make reaction in Indian videos. So anyway, Meghalayan or Shillong or Northeast is part of India, but I didn't start making videos from Shillong. So I was reacting like as usual as any of other people who do reaction videos. I used to react to the most popular and famous videos about India, but guess what? There is no any good result. There is no any good views. There is no any nothing. Like I used to keep like I still remember I made like more than 10 videos, but there is no good result. By then, that time I was also studying, and yeah, I was doing my university. That was in India also, south part of India. So in my university, I was lucky that I was having Khasi friends, and they also see my channel that I do reaction videos. So one of Khasi friend came up with this idea to me, like, I see you doing reaction video, why can't you try reacting to Khasi videos? So by that time I know, yeah, Khasi is a tribe from Northeast Meghalaya, and but I don't know much about their culture and tradition and their music and a lot of stuff. Like I was not aware. So that friend of mine suggested what to go on. So I tried few of the popular Khasi music during that time, the songs that are on trend. So what happened that boom, like I started getting a lot of views and a lot of comments, like wow, I felt like YouTube started working from that time. So I kept reacting, and from the same first or second video that I reacted to it from Shillong, Meghalaya, the good thing, they started suggesting to me what to do. And this is the amazing part and what I love the most about the Khasi people. Like they started suggesting me what to react and what to watch. And I felt like they are really so curious to see our reaction also, whether on the music or on their cultural traditional, because I found out during that time it was very rare, guys, like people reacting to Meghalaya, especially African. I'm not talking of other European, but to see African, like let's say the black people, it was very less. So my video was really catching a lot of attention of Khasi people, and they started suggesting. So this how I carry on the trend, and my Khasi viewers started suggesting, and I keep doing what they love, guys. So wow, we became part of the family of Shillong, and I started loving them because whenever I react or watch or do video about whatever they said or about whatever is related to them, they always they always interact, they always support, guys. And this how I kept I kept going. So by then I started to feel bored, guys, because what happened that whenever I do that video like reacting, it usually be like this one. Like I used to watch other Khasi or Shillong or Meghalaya videos while sitting and reacting or saying my opinion or giving my review. So this how it used to be, but at that moment it was really very boring for me. But most of the subscribers, my Khasi people, they used to appreciate that. By then, like I was like, why can't I just start something amazing or start it vlog? Because me, I love vlogging, guys. And when I started YouTube, actually, I started by vlogging. I was having other channel. You can see here, this is my first channel, which I started by vlogging. I wasn't interested in the reaction video. So I love vlogging. So reaction video became bored for me. And I became so curious also, like to go and to see how does Meghalaya or Shillong look alike, because even the subscribers, my viewers from Shillong, they told me come to Shillong, come and see Shillong, guys. So that became interesting for me, and from that time I started saving a lot of money just to visit Shillong. And guess what? I made it to Shillong, Meghalaya, and it was during cherry blossom time. And like I really enjoyed my travel in Shillong. I made amazing friends, family, and I explored a lot. I tried a lot of food, and you already know my favorite food, that is jali jado, guys. So I tried a lot of Khasi traditional stuff festival. I went and I attended the Nonkren festival. Yeah, it was really enjoyable, guys. And from there my videos started to blowing, like catching more attention, and the Khasi people also, they started to love me because they saw me a little bit serious. Like before, I never visit Meghalaya, I used to get views while I was not even in Shillong. So this was not even for me, I consider it like not, like I am not putting so much effort to gain the support of Meghalaya. So I started appreciating that when I visit Shillong. Like I felt, yeah, yes, this is really what now I visit Shillong, and for sure they have to love it, because this will also show them like how I love them, or how I am really interested in promoting or showing the Shillong Khasi culture to the world. And from there, like most of my videos started catching attention, but then things not going well up to now. I can tell you honestly, guys, like what's not going well, because you know I'm not from India, I'm not Khasi also, so I cannot be staying in Shillong all the time. To be in India, I need also to have visa, which the challenge started on. So from India, I traveled to Nepal, and in the same channel, I started posting about my Nepali vlog, guys. And what happened was really so sad. Like most of my vlogs from Nepal was not getting any views. And what I realized that whenever, you know how YouTube work, like this video now I'm making, first YouTube will recommend this video to my subscribers. So mostly those are Khasi people. So YouTube used to recommend my Nepali vlogs to Khasi people, and what happened is that they don't really engage, they don't even watch it. And this is the sad part of my subscribers here. Like I'm not mad of them, but this is another sad part that I don't really like, because whenever I do something that is not related to Shillong, Meghalaya, they don't really love it. And now I'm even in Uganda, Kampala, I'm back to Africa. I was really so curious also making my own vlogs like about Africa, because I'm African. I thought my viewers, like the Khasi people, will really love it. Like I was thinking like they will also be curious, like how I became curious to do their videos, and to go Shillong to watch and to try their culture. So I thought by showing them African videos of mine, they will love it. But no, guys, nothing is going well. Like I can say people are watching, but it's very less. Like most of my subscribers, like I can say 10% out of my subscribers are watching, and that is really so sad. But I'm not mad, but I am just sharing my journey and my experience in YouTube, guys. So I'm not mad of that, because I still love Shillong. And this what will take me back to the question of why I keep making videos about Shillong. Because if I make any other video that is not related to Shillong, Khasi people, Meghalaya, they don't love it. So I started to mix things up, like sharing my experience, compare it to Shillong, related to Shillong, or doing Shillong things. Like my previous video, I tried the cooking jali jado to my African family, and that video really have a good number of viewers and people really love it. So this is the new idea, I'm doing it, and this is what really make me to keep making videos about Shillong, guys. And I don't know how we will understand this thing, but I'm really wishing if my viewers will keep also engaging in whatever I'll be doing, whether not related to them, because you don't know, guys, maybe one day you might be a vlogger or you might visit Africa. So watching my African videos will be also maybe advantage for you to learn. At least if you don't want to visit, that's fine, but to learn, because I came to know that most of the Indian also, they don't know much about African. Like there is a lot of misconception that they have. I know, like not most of them, but people who are not educated. But anyway, this is why I keep making videos about Meghalaya, Shillong, guys. And I will keep doing that because I don't want to lose my subscribers, my viewers. I know Shillong people are very supporting and they are loyal, even though they don't watch other videos of mine which is not related to them. But yeah, I will try my best to keep making videos to them, and soon I will be visiting Shillong again, guys. So stay tuned, and if you want to learn more, just keep watching other videos of mine while in Africa. So I believe most of my subscribers from Shillong, they are loyal subscribers, though I earn less, guys. Let me tell you when it comes about earning, but I'll just tell you, like, I'm not making good money, even though with the Shillong, Meghalaya or Indian videos, because guys, I came to find out that most of the Indian content, like, is really, it's not paying well. And if you ask any YouTuber or them, those musicians, celebrities of Shillong, they will really tell the same history or the same what I'm saying. But anyway, it's okay, whatever it is, I will keep making videos to Shillong, Meghalaya, because they are very loyal. I love them, guys. So just tell me, and what do you also want to know, and I will see you in the next other video.